Extempore is the best way to give your students the active speaking practice they need to improve their language skills. Whether replacing a costly language lab or facilitating distance learning, Extempore is a cost-effective online solution for assessing and practicing spontaneous oral communication. By prompting students' responses within a set amount of time that mimics natural speaking patterns, Extempore recreates the valuable learning experience of a face-to-face conversation. Here's how it works. Instructors create a question with a video, audio, or text prompt. They can choose to set timers that limit the time their students will have before responding to the question. Students view the prompt and record their responses within the given time constraint. Then instructors grade and provide audio, video, or written feedback to help students further improve. Extempore is completely cloud-based, accessible via web browser or mobile device. All files are hosted online, and Extempore is easily integrated with all major LMS platforms, making it simple and convenient to adopt. It's also FERPA and COPA compliant, ensuring the protection of all instructor and student data. Extempore offers far more than just speaking assessments. Instructors can now assign multiple choice questions, text response questions, and even group assignments. As students submit assignments, Extempore keeps their responses in a speaking portfolio that shows how much they've improved over time. With customizable rubrics and shareable activities, Extempore is a great tool for teachers. Create a free Lite account to get started with Extempore, and please reach out to our team with any questions or to schedule a free personalized demonstration for you or your department.